This is the LEGO City Starter Set 60072. It includes 4 construction workers with hard hats, 1 megaphone, 1 sledgehammer, 1 concrete bricker, 1 small bulldozer, 2 safety cones, and a toilet for demolition with 2 water sprouts. This is the site manager, and I call him Sir Ton Siger. He owns the megaphone, and he has brown eyebrows, beard, mustache, and goatee. Sir Ton wears white long-sleeve shirt with necktie and brown pants with shoulder belt, plus construction belt on his waist and a red hard hat as a protection of his head. This is the iron worker and a machine operator, and I call him Nudge Wilderon. The concrete breaker belongs to him, and he has eyes and ears protectors. Nudge wears brown long-sleeve shirt, orange construction vest, dark blue pants and a construction tool belt, and red hard hat also. This is the lady tool expert, and I call her Lynn Remsen. She owns the sledgehammer, and she has long hair. Lynn wears construction worker suit with hoodie inside, construction tool belt, and hard hat. She is in charge of demolishing the toilet, but her problem probably is how she could stop the water coming out the pipe. This is the heavy equipment operator, and I call him Jim Eomelan. He is frowning and sweating, and he wears dark blue jacket, blue-gray pants with the shoulder belt, hard hat, and construction tool belt. Jim operates this small freewheel bulldozer. The cab of this bulldozer has an easy-to-open cover so that Jim can easily get into the driver's seat. Its blade is adjustable, which can be set facing forward, halfway up, or totally facing upward. This set has a total of 83 pieces in a box. This is the LEGO City Starter Set 60072. Thank you for watching.